Hey everyone, 123 Gatorweight here. We have a crazy man right there. Oh my gosh. Let's go get a better look. What is that? What the heck? We gotta get a better look. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh. Hello everybody, 123 Gatorweight. Back again, here for another brand new video. Today we are talking about some new updates. Today we are talking about some brand new videos. First off, 123 Gatorweight is having a brand new Crazy Alex episode coming out this weekend, and the Season 2 premiere of Callahan Detectives. Guys, I'm so excited. I can't wait. It's going to be so much fun. It's going to be bonkers, and I can't wait. You guys must not... Don't miss it. 123 will be the greatest it's ever been, only this weekend, Thursday through Sunday. It will be awesome. I can't wait. It's gonna be awesome, guys. It's gonna be awesome, alright? Alright. I'm proud to announce that the Callahan Detectives Season 2 will be 13 episodes. Season 2 will be 13 episodes. We will be getting a brand new crazy Alex episode. Just don't want to miss it. 123 Gatorweight this weekend. Subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Just wanted to leave a little tiny video. Enjoy, and goodbye.